time to go. Leaves are falling, colors glow. Sammy waves, he's on his way, riding through Thanksgiving Day. Choo-choo, chug-chug, toot-toot-toot, Sammy's train is coming through. Apples red and shiny bright, sparkling in the autumn light. Sammy picks one off the tree, the turkey helps with gobble glee. Munch, 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 it's time to go back on the train. Now here we go. The whistle blows, the train rolls on, past the fields and early dawn. Pumpkins waiting up ahead, Sammy smiles and tips his head. Clickety-clack, the train rolls through, off to the pumpkin patch we zoom.
Pumpkins big and pumpkins small, Sammy wants to see them all. He finds one round, it's so insane. Fox helps him take it to the train. He picks it up off the ground, back on the train. He's cornfield bound.
Through the corn so tall and gold, Sammy waves as stories told. The turkey smiles, the fox does too. The train is filled with friends so true. Gobble, gobble, woo-hoo-hoo, all aboard the happy crew. Sammy, fox, and turkey too, all sit together, friends so true. They share some pie and apple stew, thankful hearts for me and you. Yum, yum, hooray, hooray, happy Thanksgiving.